Good morning, Alpha Traders. How we doing on this Options Expiration Friday? Let's see here. Let's go over here into the Discord. See these lovely people. Let's see. Boop. And live. Alright. Let's take a quick pre-market look here before we jump into some Bitcoin action. Yeah, it looks like SPY's down almost 3 points. Pre-market. Yeah, as the dollar is slumping. Interesting. Everything yesterday. A lot of stocks sold off. Let's see. Anything popping out though? Not really. Apple down at 152. Oh, P-Funk bought a 150. What'd he do? Buy that 150 call? Good call. Good call on the 150 call. That's right. Thought I'd counter trade him for fun. Winner, P-Funk. Yeah, baby. What'd he do? He bought the 150. I bought the 160, I think. Yeah. Let's see what happens by the close of the day. Who knows? This could get interesting. It always does on options expiration. Always does. Once this, let's see, once this market opened up, I can take a peek over here. Our brokerage account, see what's happening. All right, let's jump into some Bitcoin. You know what? Let's go. There we go. I'll be back. We're going to Bitcoin. Don't worry. Oh, what a mess. What's this? Star charts, for Christ's sakes. What are we looking at here? Yeah, you know what you're looking at. Okay, let's move this. It's a nice little bullish doji right there. Oh, yeah, of course. Of course. So Bitcoin on the daily. This latest pump ran up to the top side of the distribution, 99.7 Laplace. Now, where's it at right now? Came down, found some support, literally. Let's see. Yesterday's daily candle went to, yeah, it looks like it checked up to 68.3 Laplace to the downside, and then literally closed about 68.3 to the top side. You can see that over here. Bitcoin. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, Bitcoin.
Oh, Bitcoin. What do we have here? Sounds like a leprechaun.
$100 trillion Bitcoin market cap leprechaun.
Oh, it's the pot of gold, motherfucker. That's who it is. El Pato Gold. Yeah, this is...
Pots for sure.
How's that 150 Apple call, P-Funk?
Still on the same, dude. Still rated. It's do or die today.
I know, dude. This is going to be a ride.
It's rated 19 cents, right where it is. I was in bed all afternoon yesterday, man.
You sound better.
I'm fine. Thanks. Still feel better, man.
All right. Well, you sound better. It's okay.
It's all right. It's cool, man. But I had to go downtown. I went to Little Caesars, saw that Disneyland. Nice. That actually was pretty.
Nice. Oh, yeah.
I was a little biased going into it.
Right.
Crack this market, I see, bro. Wow.
Yeah.
Did you get any SPY puts or no?
What did I do? Yeah. I bought the 398. So yeah, let's see what happens. Dump it. Dump the markets. P-Funk will get the juice on his Apple call. I'll get the juice on my SPY put.
Those SPY puts look exactly what I saw them last, 28 cents. All right.
Let me see here.
The ones that expired today?
Yeah, the ones that, yep. The 398s. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can see where they cracked this market around 2:30, well, around 3 o'clock.
Yeah, they're right at 29 cents. That's gonna change real quick when this market opens. A little bit, anyway.
Yeah.
Let me see here.
Did it gap down much? I don't know.
A few points.
Yeah.
It's down a few points.
I see it trading. Oh, yeah, I see it. Here we go. It's trading around 406.
Oh, yeah, this 4 hour. Interesting. 4 hour. Shot outside the distribution on this move. Of course it did. I mean, it was a nice move, man.
It's a great move yesterday.
Yeah, it was. Pulled back, pulled right back down inside at 99.7 on this projection. Whammo here, let me, so we'll get one at a time there. Yeah, here's the projection. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Let's check, let me see something though. Yep, there we go. So yeah, got outside the 99.7 to the downside on this move. Now it's pulling back up to the bottom side of the 95.4. Kind of this 4 hour candle's just bebopping around inside the 68.3 Laplace, the current candle. I want to come down here and test 22.7. Who knows? Maybe. That's a 99.7 Laplace move on this projection anyway. Be interesting to find out. Something up on that. Let me turn this. Here is the 11 length RMLR. Where's the 30? Yeah. A little bit below. Getting ready to have another in. I'll tell you what, man. This 30 crosses up this power mean. Look out. Could get another leg. Or does it reject here? What happens? We're going to get a down move? We're about to find out. Usually gets a little ruckus on a options expiration day. We will see. We will see for sure. All the futures could go fucking nutso. But to find out.
Absolutely. Plus, it's a fun Friday.
It's Friday.
Clown show Friday.
Clown show.
Everybody's doubting and fearing and knowing not what to do. It's a nice ranging day on the on all these assets that are trading right now. So got a nice wide range. Just like yesterday. Not quite as wide as yesterday, but wide enough to be ranging, that's for sure.
Yeah. Yeah, what is
And look at yesterday. What did we say? It was going to be a nice ranging day, and it sure was. And then right at like an hour before the end of the day, had nice little trending moves on a bunch of these crypto assets and stuff after market close. And boom, to the downside, took it all down. But it's still within a nice range, right? That was a nice trending moves on the 15-minute, but overall, on the higher time frames, that was definitely a ranging move.
Yeah.
The scalp down to the bottom and then take profit and watch it bounce back up and zigzag all day today. It's going good, man.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, this 4 hour trend ended going back up in a random walk. Predictor just flipped. Last 4 hour candle.
And what is it we said a few days ago? Like after it pops up like this, what does it often do? It goes down and takes back about half of what it gained, and then it rides it out.
Yep.
It happens. I don't want to say like clockwork, but it happens a lot in crypto. It happens a lot.
Yeah.
So you make a move to one side or the other very steeply, and then it'll go back to the other side about a halfway. It's amazing. By the way, did you mention the $100 trillion market cap thing yet, or didn't we go over that yet? Should we do that now?
Knock yourself out. Roll with it.
Oh, I was just going to mention that Adam Back, if anybody doesn't know who he is, Google him if you're in the Bitcoin space. It was over at, what is it, a BlockFi or something like that?
Yeah,
BlockFi, one of those. And he basically came out and said that by the sixth halving in 2032, he predicts Bitcoin will have $100 trillion market cap.
Not crypto.
Right now it's at about
Bitcoin.
Trillion, right?
Yeah, Bitcoin.
Bitcoin, yeah. Bitcoin. Which means that like each Bitcoin will be like $10-20 million or something crazy. So yeah, rack 'em and stack 'em, boys and girls. But yeah, that's certainly not trading news. But it is funny to see all these like the news people jumping all over that in the crypto sphere and being like, oh, Adam Back said that. Like, so what, man? Like, I could say that in 10 years it'll be worth potato. Like, what difference does it make, you know? But yeah, it makes news. People like the clickbaity. And that's the news about the $100 trillion market cap. Could it get there? Yeah, it's possible. Basically, Bitcoin would have to increase in market cap about 200 times. Does it mean it can't happen? No, obviously it could happen. It's already increased billions of percent, from the zero to the all-time high and back down again. It's still in the hundreds of millions of percent. So it's certainly possible, but it's definitely not something you want to trade day to day, obviously. But yeah. Hold on for a while, Brett. And also, the Bank of Brazil announced that they are now allowing payment of taxes with crypto, just like they do in Pennsylvania and other places. Well, of course they are.
Yeah.
Like, duh. So, you're going to hear more and more of these big governments and stuff saying, yeah, we like crypto for when you give it to us. but we want to regulate it when you want to use it. So yeah, it's just another thing.
Yeah, you've got
Anyway,
governments
enough of that.
taking
What?
crypto for taxes. That should be a wake-up call for all these crypto haters out there.
Yeah, I think in Ohio or Pennsylvania they're already doing it since several years, but like you got more and more whole countries doing it.
Hell,
And
Miami.
even in France now, they want to regulate extra. And, you know, I read the French news a lot, so they want to regulate now. Additionally, what's going on with crypto? You know, it's already legal tender. Bitcoin's already legal tender in France since several years. You can use it to pay debts and stuff, and you can buy it in like tobacco, what they call tobacco shops or tabac shops since years already. You can buy like a gift card or whatever. You can use it to pay for any bills you want. But they want to increase the regulations because they don't think they have enough regulations. Because of course, what did I say about this crypto thing? We've already won. That's why they're making the deals. That's why they're trying to impose the regulations, because crypto has already won against fiat. It's a known thing. They just don't want to admit it yet. But they will. They will. Give them some time. They'll eventually flip it all over, and those CDBCs or CBDCs or whatever they call them will be all the standard. And this year you're going to see tons of them come online. All these countries around the world.
Yeah.
And they're going to be, doing everything they can to get people to put their fiat in those things instead of to put them into Bitcoin and other cryptos. But anyway, back to trading, shall we? Just thought I'd bring you some news because it's fun.
We like it. Yeah, news is fun. News is fun. That's what it's there for. It's fun. What big dogs? My goodness. Let me get rid of these before pod freaks. All right. Go get them. Go get them. So it goes from 60 degrees to now there's a dusting of snow. This weather's nuts.
Didn't you just have like 60 degrees yesterday?
It was almost 65.
Wow, man,
Now
that's wild.
now it's 27, and a little dusting of snow.
We got ducks out here. It's nice and it's duck weather, duck friendly weather.
Nice.
Waddling around in the nice, it's like 50, 60 degrees Celsius. I mean, Fahrenheit. It's nice, but then it gets chilly to like 30s and 40s, like 40s and low 50s at night and stuff. But it's pretty warm generally. You can walk around with a short sleeve shirt if you're used to that weather.
Yeah, it's not bad. 50. I like 50 degrees. I could do that year round.
Nice. People here are in winter parkas when it's 50 degrees.
Oh, I bet.
We're not used to it.
You should see the, where are they from? I think it's like the Burmese. What would you call them? The refugees or whatever? A lot.
Burma?
Yep.
In Burma?
Dude, there's like there's a part of town here. Just so happens one of our pizza shops is right dab nab in it. You should see these folks. They're a riot, man. Beautiful people. There's another, there's a lot of Africans, like from the Congo. We've got a girl working for us. She's from, God, where is she from? Is it Uganda? I think Uganda or something like that. But these folks from Burma, they're rolling around. It's like 10 degrees outside. They got flip-flops on and shorts. Walking around in the snow, and I'm just looking at them like, what are you not comprehending here?
Right, to them it's like, oh, it's a nice autumn weather.
Dude, crazy. It's like, hey, put some shoes on, man. Aren't your toes cold, bro? I mean, they're just walking around in snow and flip-flops. It's like, wow. Oh, you're one of those
guys. Been to
guys.
Nepal, places like, Burma, but Nepal is called now, or that area of the world.
Oh yeah.
It gets cold up in those mountains, obviously.
Oh
real
yeah.
Cold.
It's real cold. It does.
Anyway.
Yeah, anyway.
I didn't mean to sidetrack too much, but there's just so much fun nonsense going on in the world. I figured we'd have a bit of a laugh on Friday.
Yeah, exactly. So the 4-hour Bitcoin had a little hidden bull, stopped this down move, popped it up here a little bit. But right now, I mean, actually, that's not bad. Yeah, this returns oscillator just popped up above the zero mean, which is good because obviously it's setting up what? Hidden bear, right? We got hidden bull playing right into hidden bear. Nothing solid yet, right? It's just setting up. Considering random walk, predictor flip, we are contracting. Volatility's actually it's flat, positively correlated. So yeah, interesting. What is it at a 90? Yeah, I bet this thing pops up a little bit once this market opens. We will see. What's a dollar doing? Let me take a peek real quick. Yeah, giving it out. You're going the wrong way, dollar. It's supposed to go up. We want SPY down here at about 400. That's where we want it. Yep. Get those. Get that apple put in the money for old P-Funk. Let me see here. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, back over here.
Do it. P-Funk, get that apple core.
So let's see how this daily. Yeah, I mean this Z-score still rising, looking good actually. Just got out of these lower confidence intervals. Got all the fishers are above the mean of the bands. One is turned down. Obviously, it's a quick one. Very interesting. Actually, it's not the quickest one. It's okay though. It's second. What length? What do I have that second length set on? Let me see here real quick. Yeah, 3.9. Yeah, a 9 length, 21.33. Yep. Yeah, if anybody is using the fish, I got 3, 9, 21.33 is my lengths. Like them a lot. Like them a lot. This was, yeah, on the daily, no bear div at all. Got the returns oscillator coming down, negatively correlated, right? So that's literally telling you price action, not going to follow those returns. And you can see on this daily candle, right? We're up right now. Yesterday, it was positively correlated, right? Left a nasty wick on the top side. I'm sure everybody was crying, oh, here we go. Here's the pullback. Well, we're going to zero again. Oh, my God. I'm sure the Bitcoin YouTubers are... I mean, they have a history of one day bullish, next day bearish, depending on what their little echo chamber's telling them to do, which is just so funny because we're never really bullish or bearish. We're just giving you the probabilities. Checking everything out, looking at where the data sets are, around the RMLR, what kind of divs are building, all this fun stuff that you, when you're a volatility trader, when you learn about the returns and... Yeah, it's a good time. Fun time. Makes trading exciting again.
For sure.
Yeah, man. Makes trading exciting again. What's we doing down here on the low time frames? Oh, God. I'll tell you what are we expanding on the 33? Positively correlated. We're right on top of that VAMA. The old Van F. The old Van awesome moving average. Or volatility adapted moving average. Very nice.
Yeah, man, that thing is awesome.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, man. Oh, do you? Oh, Winklevoss, one of the Winklevi says he has something to say about Bitcoin's $25,000 price spike. I bet you do, dumbass.
Wow.
What do you got to say about it?
Oh yeah. Did you hear that BDO? I think it was BDO did an audit of Tether, and they said that Tether has more than they actually have now confirmed that they have more money than they need necessarily to be liquid, and by like 700 million or something, or by 900 million, and they made 700 million profit last quarter.
Yeah.
And they got off of paper notes. So Tether is seifu, I guess, compared to what it was theoretically.
I always thought it was because I was like, look, what a massive target for the people trying to take down crypto. If Tether wasn't liquid, we would know. But hey, look, as I say that, tomorrow could come out. Tether.
Yeah, right.
So, but it just, oh my God, it's so embedded, right? I mean,
but at least now they have some kind of an audit that says that they are liquid, like a verifiable audit. But then again, audit firms have been notorious over the decades for basically saying whatever the client wants. So
yeah, pretty much. Here's 100 Bitcoin. Make it look good.
Exactly. But they say that they have more than they need, and that they made 700 mil in profit last quarter, and they have 900 million in the bank that they don't actually, that's above and beyond the liquid that they need. So that's good.
How are they making their profits?
How are they making their profits?
Yeah.
What do you mean? Like when you buy Tether.
Yeah, I'm playing devil's advocate here. I like your voice.
Yeah, right.
Sounds like you're high on helium.
Yeah, definitely on something. They're they're taking small percentages on the exchange. Obviously, when you swap your crypto for Tether.
Totally. And look at
Or
all
when
the
you buy- you know, when you
pairs.
swap
It's
your
paired
fiat
with
for Tether,
everything. It's
yeah.
literally paired with everything.
Pretty much. I mean, it's a stable coin,
Yeah.
right? So we'll see if it becomes kind of a stronger stable coin. It's already the most traded crypto of them all in the sense of volume or whatever.
Yeah.
So will it now become more trusted by the crypto market in general, or will they still split it up between USDC and all the other ones? Who knows? But it's good news anyway for Tether and for crypto in general to know
Yeah.
that Tether has supposedly more liquid than they claim to need.
Nice. It's perfect. Perfect.
Yeah,
Perfect.
they have like 60 billion or something like that. 60 billion and 900 million or whatever.
Right.
Liquid. And they have a $60 billion market cap or something.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. What's the market cap on that shitter?
I think it's like 60 billion or something. Whatever it is, they have more than they need, they claim. And BDO claims it for them. They attested to it in their audit.
Wow, man. You know you're in a bear market when Tether's number 3.
Yeah, well. And look at the top 10. I mean, how many of them are stable coins? You know?
Oh,
It's
yeah.
ridiculous.
Oh, big time. What do we got? 3 of them, right? Yeah. BUSD,
Yeah, at least.
USD coin, USDC, and Tether. Up there with the
Yeah,
big dogs.
And Dai's not too far behind.
No, I don't think so. Dies at 17. Looking at it
Exactly.
right now. But yeah, Tether, what's market cap? Oh, wow. Market cap, wow, 70. Yeah. 70 billion. Is that what that is?
And BUSD is Binance USD, and Binance says they won't use it because they got that letter they got the Wells letter. So they say that they're not even using their own stablecoin. But the market is still like, yeah, well, we're going to keep using it for now.
Right.
But yeah, there was a big fear that like $800 million worth of Binance USD was going to pull out and destroy crypto or whatever a few days ago. And what was the market response? You know, Bitcoin went up like 12%.
Right. Get
Madness.
off that. I was just looking at it. See what that market cap was. Yeah, it's 70 billion. At least that's what it says.
Yeah,
That ain't interesting.
that is a significant stablecoin for sure.
Significant. Take a putt. Yet dollar
And
bouncing
it's
off.
kind of ridiculous. It's kind of ridiculous that the SEC is like, yeah, we want to, you know, they're aiming at stablecoins specifically, calling them securities. How is a stablecoin a security?
They're just reaching for
Unless you're
anything
telling
they
me,
can-
unless you're telling me the dollar is a security, where you expect to gain more by holding it, you end up losing more by holding it over time. So how is it a security exactly? If you get 1 for 1, how is that a security?
They're
The most
just
ridiculous thing, like other than arbitrage traders, maybe, who's ever heard of a stablecoin being a thing you trade for profit? You know, it's just ridiculous. But yeah, whatever.
yeah. Which there definitely is arbitrage opportunities, but
Yeah, but 99.99999% of traders do not do that.
no,
Certainly not
those are the
retail
bots.
traders.
The bots are doing that
Completely
shit.
ridiculous. Yeah, high frequency trading bots can do that, not
Yeah.
humans.
No, you're gonna get wrecked trying it.
Yeah, and it's just ridiculous. Like if you buy a bunch of dollars, they don't suddenly call it a security. It's
I know.
fiat money.
They're just throwing
It's just-
shit on the wall and seeing what sticks.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just going after low hanging fruit. But hey, we love the SEC, right?
We love them. We love them.
Oh yeah, and all the alphabets.
Oh yeah, we love all the alphabets, for sure. We do. We like them. Some of the alphabets stole my rainbow flag. Damn it,
Right.
some bitches. You can't sport a
Anyway.
rainbow flag. Well, you can. It's all good. We embrace everybody here at Alpha Trading.
Yes. Hey, the colors of the rainbow are in the Monte Carlo distribution. We love it.
Fucking A, man. Yes, it is. Good point.
We also love Market Open, and that's coming up in about 6 minutes.
We love Market Open. Yes, we do. We love Market Open. How about you? Oh, I love the thumbnail. I look good as a superhero.
Hell yeah, bro. You look awesome as a superhero.
I gotta get you some more freaking...
With the big head and everything. I love it.
I know, it's great. That's first thing I saw when I woke up. I started laughing. Wasn't even out of bed, I was laughing. Yasha brings joy to my life.
Expect more of those, my friend. Expect
Yeah.
more, brother.
Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, so we got a lot of stuff down. I mean, Bitcoin's Bitcoin, right? We are, God, man. Let me see here. Let me get up here on this weekly real quick before we run and get lost on these traditional markets for a bit. Yeah. There's no correlation right now on this hidden bull move, but this could really pop on the weekly. It already has. Let me see something. Are we on the weekly? Boom. Let me turn off. I just want to see some. Let's turn off these RMLRs. I just want some pure price action with that power mean. So yeah, almost did a 2 SD move. Pretty damn good on Bitcoin. It's pulled down, right? 68.3% chance, normal distribution wise, that Bitcoin closes this week below like 23.6 area. So we'll see. It would be nice, and I've already kind of thought this was going to happen. This did pull back before pretty much, right? The options closing today, the monthly, the VEPS closing today. Bitcoin pulls back just above the 68.3, the first standard deviation. Would be nice this weekend to see this thing rocket ship up, close up by this 2 SD above 25K. That'd be pretty bullish. What'd you say, P-Funk?
Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you, man.
No, you're fine.
Remember, this is a 3-day weekend too. So it should be a good weekend for Bitcoin. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it probably will be.
You have nothing to trade.
What the hell's what holiday?
President's Day.
President's Day.
Oh.
Yeah. Nice.
Balding President's Day.
We need to celebrate those idiots. When was the last good president we had?
Reagan, Bush.
Washington.
Right.
I was both Bush fans, so.
You belong.
Yeah, so was I, man. I was a Bush fan.
GW.